We got another game.
Oh, that was the pizza noodles.
Oh.
So now we need to run out of food. That was bad. What?
Asios is too busy.
Yeah.
Here we're sacking a pawn for no reason. Gonna play a little.
It says delivery time in 30 minutes, but they called and asked if I can come out and get it. Okay.
Sounds like a scam.
It does. Okay, I'm gonna check that thing because that sounds suspicious.
Okay, are we gonna play for tricks or are we gonna play sound? No, we're gonna play for tricks. I was hoping for b5, bishop f7, knight e5, and then queen f3. That looked interesting. Okay, so we're pawn down and position is kind of shitty. Talk louder? Was there something wrong with the mic? I kind of want to go d4 to sack everything.
Somebody trolling us. It says 30 minutes, and it sounded suspicious.
Everybody stop trolling us.
Yeah. Is there
Chat.
anybody in chat that just...
Yeah, anybody in chat who's trolling, Pershin Meow, you know what to do.
Yeah. But I'll go and check. If I'm not back in 5 minutes, I've been kidnapped.
Queen e7 looks like a somewhat risky move. But how I can take advantage? Okay, let's start by going d5. I'm once again playing for tricks. Gotta understand this. I'm trying to win this game not by making like sound positional moves, but by tricking my opponent. Tricks are for kids? Well, you probably are a kid, so I suppose you know. You saw me in the lounge. I didn't see the rest of the message. Like usually when I'm in public and I have my headset on, that's a like message to the world which says, yeah, not today. So if you like didn't talk to me then that was probably a good choice. That was too serious. Haha! What up, Mason? Are you spending your time in London just sitting, just out here banning people? Shouldn't you and Eric be going to some sex club or something instead? Okay, I see a possible attractive continuation, but I didn't.
It wasn't a scam.
You're maybe drunk. Oh, the chat is going way too fast now. Please, slow mode.
It was a real pizza.
It was a real pizza. There was no scam?
Yeah. I'll get some.
It's almost a bit disappointing. By the way, also I'm not focusing on the game one bit here, so probably got to do that at some point if I want to win. No, I didn't actually want slow mode. I was just repeating what other people had said earlier. No! Disabled slow mode, you drunk fuck.
Are the mods misbehaving?
Okay, I'm gonna go 93. He can maybe take on H2, but it may not be good, and I don't think he'll dare, regardless. Is there rook f5? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's go b4. Now I think rook f5 may be a threat. No, you can go to a8. That still doesn't work. But he's clearly finding it hard to find useful moves. Okay, this one makes a bit of sense. I should stop thinking. That's what I should do and just play. Oh, this mouse is so slow. What are you doing, Asios? I thought you would put slow mode on the chat, not the mouse.
Yeah, put it on the pizza.
I mean, this is incredibly slow. Oh my god. I can barely make a move in 1 second with this.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
Click it one more time.
Oh, there's 1300. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now it's okay. Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yeah, just make sure it's on the. Yeah, probably some mods that enable slow mode on the mouse.
Yeah, I think so.
You can do that.
Damn you, mods.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still short of time. I should win now, though. Okay, he allowed the queen exchange. Now I'm winning easily. Let's go. 95, king c3. And that's it. Okay. That was not impressive, but we won the game. Now we got pizza. Some much needed.
That's Coke on the Friedeninglas.
Oh boy.
Oh, the game is done, so we can continue the. Okay, I hope there's. Yeah.
Some much needed calories over here.
And we try again, hoping no one calls me this time saying they have pizza for me.
It's a good thing it wasn't a scam though.
Yeah, it was. What? Okay, let's just drivers. I need to install new drivers for the thing. Downloads.
For those that tuned in for just Sandstorm, which I guess is a lot of you, you're gonna get it. Don't worry.
It's coming. As soon as we have no more pizza.
No more pizza, no more mods.
Yeah. Okay, this. I think this should work. Bam, bam, bam. You'll ever play Counter-Strike 2 on stream? Yeah.
I'm gonna play Dark Souls on the stream.
Oh yeah, that we should do.
Next Friday.
Next Friday there will be a Dark Souls stream. Oh, game. Okay.